Hello student, welcome in online lecture series. In our specialization economic geography, there is one of the important subject, it is industrial geography. We start this subject from last few topics or few lectures. Today we are going to see the introduction, nature and scope of industrial geography. In the introductory part, there is some importance related to the geography also. It is very important. We could not directly see the industrial geography. We start from the geography. Geography is the scientific study of earth, its products and its inhabitants. The seed of geography lies in the writing of early scholar, precisely to Greek who were the first to evolve the discipline. Eratosthenes, over 2200 years ago, coined the word geography. Later the Romans discussed patterns and process of the physical world and focus their attention on human activities and life. Geography is a discipline that analyzes the spatial variation in terms of area and relationship between spatial variable. Geography is very wide subject. On the basis of specialization, geography further divided into the sub branches that are physical and human geography. The physical geography we study the nature and distribution of physical or natural phenomena over the surface of the earth. In the physical geography is the study of land, air, water and organic life on the earth. Physical geography is also divided into these various sub branches such as geomorphology, oceanography, climatology, pedology, meteorology, hydrology, biogeography, environmental geography, then space geography, this is astrography. These are the important branches under the physical geography. Physical geography is a older and more developed branch compared to human geography. Human geography relatively a new branch of geography. Economic geography is the prime branch of human geography. The study of all human activities and their distribution on the earth. Economic and social geography. Economic geography was developed in the later half of the 19th century as a branch of human geography. It studies the analysis, studies and analysis resources and human activities and their interaction in the various regions. Both branches have several sub branches. For example, economic geography is the prime two branches of human geography. It studies all human activities and their distribution of the earth. As early under the under the human geography, there are several branches. For example, economic geography is the one of the branch, then population geography, then settlement geography, then another some important branches as like as GIS, then remote sensing. These are the branches also under the statistic geography. Okay, as early In 1982, German scholar Götz had defined economic geography development. Götz entitled the concept of economic geography, but the influence was limited to Germany only. According to him, economic geography makes a scientific investigation of the nature of the world areas in their direct influence on the production of goods. Economic geography owes its growth as an academic discipline to the interest of British people in commerce. It is interesting to note that George Chisholm, the father of modern economic geography, had wanted an intellectual interest in the study of geographical facts relating to commerce. Huntington, 1940, Jones and Darwin, 1950, Bainstone and Van Ryan, 1957, Alexander and Gibson, 1979, also done good work about highlighting the subject matter of economic geography. Economic geography is defined various ways. The major definition of economic geographers are as follows. E.W. Shaw, economic geography is concerned with the distribution of man's productive activities over the surface of the earth. Chisholm, economic geography is the intellectual interest to the study of geographical facts in relation to economy and commerce. Russell Smith, economic geography deals with the human activities as affected by the earth. Zimmerman, economic geography deals with the economic life of man with related to the environment. According to all the definition, we can make the definition of industrial geography. Under the economic geography, there are several branches. For example, first important branch is industrial geography. Then second one is agriculture geography. Third one is trade and transport geography. These are three important branches are under the economic geography. Then nature of economic geography. Friends, when we study the economic geography, that time we are indirectly study the industrial geography as well as agriculture and trade and transport geography. That's why nature and scope of the economic geography and industrial geography is near about same.